5 more interesting tools, starting with Ryobi shop light. Has a hook to hang it under your hood, various stops, rotates, has a magnet to hold your small parts you've removed, runs on 110 or Ryobi 18-volt batteries, and of course it's a bright LED that's very shock resistant, that doesn't break every time like incandescent bulbs do with your work light. The next item is this digital angle gauge for your table saw. Has a magnetic base that sticks to your blade. Two things to take in mind there is when you stick it on your blade, for one thing, make sure you're not on a tooth, which would cause it to be off angle a little bit. And also, make sure your table saw plate insert is level with these set screws, because it's only as accurate as the relevant angle to start with. This one is not a tool, but it lives amongst your tools in your garage and can be quite practical. It's a Ryobi garage door opener that I could best describe as a Swiss Army knife garage door opener. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots where you can add various accessories such as a fan, a cord reel extension or a compressor, Bluetooth speaker, and it comes standard, I believe, with a bay for a Ryobi 18-volt battery, so you have battery backup on your garage door opener when your power goes out. And one of the handiest features that I found is the app that goes with it. So when you are away, say out of town, unsure if your garage door has been left open, you can check your app and see and actually close the garage door from the app. This tool was, of course, not new. It's been around for quite a while, but it's kind of obscure and maybe new to you. It is a combination of some locking pliers or vice grips and an attached chain which loops around, and you can hook it to various sizes on this hook there and lock it down tightly, and of course operate it just like a vice grip. This is very handy for things that you just can't get a handle on to hold still or to loosen up, like say a pulley or a old bathroom faucet in your tub, and it grips down hard and gets things loose that other tools may not be able to do. And finally, this quote-unquote universal socket. Sometimes it's claimed to replace an entire socket set. Well, I certainly wouldn't believe that or replace my entire socket set, but it does have its purposes, and it's good to have around if you have a strange shaped fastener that you do not have a wrench for. Like say you need to do a bunch of hooks that you need to attach to your drill to screw in. It adapts to fit in there like that, and works on principle of these steel pins that basically conform to the shape of whatever fastener is in there.